Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckinridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for Wednesday, September the 26th, Tiger Minute. I've had a wonderful week here at the high school so far. Getting ready for fall break coming up. Today, we had a soccer game scheduled for this afternoon after school. That's been canceled. Tomorrow is a big day here at the schools. We will have our last day before fall break. Also have our following sports in action. Our football team will be hosting Louisville Moore tomorrow night here at Tiger Field. Game time will be at 7 o'clock. Our cross-country team will travel to Grayson County. Our soccer team will be in action at Butler County. This weekend, again on Friday, we will not have any school here for students. Staff will be in for district-wide training day. Volleyball team will be out in action against in the Quad State tournament. That is in McCracken County. That'll be a Friday, Saturday tournament. On Saturday, our cross-country team will be in action at Louisville in the Louisville Greater Classic. Next week, during fall break, on Wednesday, our volleyball team is in action hosting Cloverport. Our soccer team is in action on Wednesday at LaRue County. And on Thursday, our volleyball team will be in action here at Tiger Arena against Davis County. We'll then return to school on October the 8th. On October the 8th, Herf Jones will be here to meet with all seniors for a senior class meeting to go over graduation products, caps and gowns, and announcements. And that will be all. That will conclude today's Tiger Minute. I will leave you just how we start every day here at the high school. Everyone work really hard. Have a great day and be a champion.